Gear 1
Yeah,
is
it's
down.
just 3-speed.
Oh, it's 3-speed. What?
Yeah.
So how do you just put it
Let me see.
neutral? That's neutral?
Yeah, it's a neutral now. Yeah.
Whoa!
One shot.
Yo, wow.
One shot.
Old school Mustang. What year is it?
67.
67 Stang, buddy.
Yeah, look at
Full tank. Yeah, just making sure it's not in gear. Yo, I've never driven one of these, so
Give it some gas. Take a look.
sick. You feel it through the whole car, right?
Right?
It's very visceral. Wow. Wow.
Yeah, bro.
Old school 67 Stang. Nice, man.
Even here when you close the door, like it's
Boy. Yeah, it's close as nice, man. Yo, I'm happy for you, man. I didn't realize when you were messaging me that this was the car you had.
yeah, bro.
No wonder you're so passionate.